are going to continue with fixing the bugs. So the reason why I didn't came in for a second live, and this would have been a third one, is that we did in fact had some problems with the database, and we needed to fix something off camera which needed. Okay, so now we have an update, but we can do it now. Yeah, so we are working also on the app, so that's the reason that we did not manage to come in earlier. So yeah, BooVAi at the moment has an update and we need to fix it also on the app, so that's the reason that we did not. So yeah, let me just plug in my phone because it's dying, and managed. So that's the reason. Okay, so it's charging. Okay, okie dokie, let me check. Okay. What is this? I don't remember the sessions, but let me do that. Oh, sorry. So yeah, let me check. Is the live going? Yeah, we are live and good to go. Okay, we are 2 minutes in. I don't know, something is wrong with my internet, as I see. Oh, it's the guy from the previous day that writed me that our content is quite good. Hello, welcome back. And yeah, today we did in fact fix the majority of the bugs I had in mind to fix, but we need to continue with the idea. Oh my god, bro, where is the app? Okay, so this is what I need. Then we will do also this. Oh my god, I'm so clumsy today. I don't know what is happening with me. From the fleet center when pressing that button. Flicks? Oh my god. Something is definitely going on with my life. It's lagging. I don't know what is happening. It's what? Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I know it's lagging. I don't know how, because I have 5 lines. I'm gonna try to open the door, maybe that will help, but I don't know. Yeah, it's charging. I don't know. I did the updates, I did everything. I don't know what is happening. What? It's what? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can see. I don't know what is happening. I'm gonna open the door and try to fix that. If no, I'm gonna reopen the live. Maybe that will help. Oh my god, bro, 7,000. Now it's better, I think so. Yeah, it's better. It's from because of the door. It's like not opening. What? From the fleet bulk action bar. Okay. Yeah, bro, I told you to remove those two because we don't need them, and that's the whole point why I told you to delete them. They should disappear at all. I don't know what happened. I think it's because of this thing. Yeah, maybe if I open the door that will help it. I hope so. So yeah. Can you fix it? Bro, I don't know what is going on with my MacBook, but it's so freaking hot. Okay. Most probably you're gonna to answer why I am doing a screenshot and not just copying it. But the thing is, if I copy it, nothing happens. So yeah, maybe that's a bug, but I don't know, it doesn't work copying it or whatever. It's a plain span, not a link. Okay. Yeah, fix both. So it does make a booking if I put it to make a booking. Okay. So I did not open Vercel. Okay. Shall Raven the wait on the auto commuter, say the word and I'll do that instead. Okay. This is doing. Okay. Yeah, remove them also from the database. Okay, that is done. Is that done? No, it's not. Okay, but let me go down. What did it fix here? It was the first one, or was it? Yeah. Okay. So this is with the thing that we did previously, and I'm sure it did it. Okay, it will remove this, it will do that. Okay, so now we are going in the hard part of the build. Wait a bit, guys. I'm sorry guys, my grandma came in. Like I told you, I don't have internet, and for whatever reason, with the door open I have it, but like that I don't, which is very weird if you ask me. Okay, so please verify this whole tab using the db functions, also running tests at the new address that we have because we fixed it in the CRM. So yeah, please run it by using the extension from Google to see if this page is also running what it needs to run correctly in order for it to completely 100% work. And at the end, please tell me what is it doing that it needs to do and what comes in every let's say notification and what needs to come through here, so I could check if it works, so I could double check in fact. Okay, but I have a little question. How do you turn on this? You need to run it. Okay. Could you give me the SQL? I need to paste in the tab. Okay. So what I need to do now is for me to first
Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
actual code.
How long do I got to keep you, to keep you?
to see if they actually work. Okay, let me check if I actually have the error and the answer. There's a van, not a public.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
What is really happening? I don't understand.
Take you like a baby.
What? Take a bit, guys. I know it's a long time, but it's something that we need.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
What we are doing actually. So yeah. Okay, this is done. I don't know. Let me do that. Let me check that. Okay, he will do it. Let me just push, because this will take a long time. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I opened the wrong thing. I don't know. I'm clumsy sometimes. And I am really not happy with my allergy. So yeah, it's actually building it. I don't know what is he doing right now, but I see Claude is doing something. He's putting in the V number. Okay. I think he's actually testing this, see if it works. Okay, I'll leave him do it. I'll leave him do his job. Okay, so our testing is done. So let me check what he did. No, not again, bro. No, it's good actually. What? Where was it? Okay, this was removed. So now this is the quota. Bookings. Okay. Let me copy this. What is that, bro? Again? From the code I told him to remove it. What was that? It doesn't make any sense to me, like, really. Oh, it's a own ID actually. But can you put the quota own ID instead at the place of the booking ID and put the booking ID on top, because I don't know, it's kind of big, it's not very useful to put it there. Okay. Okay, let's say that works. Okay. He said he did that also. Okay, we have like reported, so we need to continue, or are you done? So I could check if you did what I asked you to. Okay, it's now the headline. Okay, let me give actually him new tasks for him not to stay. You should verify this specific tab using all the things that need to be doing. Run tests in the database, run tests in the actual Chrome inspection using the Chrome extension that we have with Claude, and please do that in order to check every small detail of this specific tab, and at the end please tell me what every notification or what are the lines that can come through in this section. Okay. I don't know. Let's do that. And let me guess. Yep, I don't know how we did this, so so much. But anyways, we're just gonna run these two, not going to do anything else. I need to test these tools if they are working properly and correlated. We can close this one for the moment being, because we don't actually need it. And yeah, just wait to see what this will do. Okay. Is pushed. Okay, the way forward, you sign in the tab by just open it and say go, and I'll verify the report tab. I get live numbers, bookings report, check it yourself. On the login page, okay. What? Why can I still... Okay, wait a bit, we have a problem. I can still access it for whatever reason, I don't know why. Hello? Do you hear me? We have a problem. I don't know, for whatever reason, somehow I have entered the old link and I can access it, and I am looking right now. The one with renting web to Vercel.app. I don't know how, but Claude did something. I'm working with him, and for whatever reason he's still catching the old link, and I have opened it right now, and I am on it looking at it live now, and I have logged in with the previous credentials I used, so the owner credentials from Boov. I have logged in with them and they are working to log in. I don't know how I fucked it up, but yeah, I'm just telling you to know. What do you mean go back? What? Like what he did? But I don't know how. It just opened it. That's the whole point. It opened it like himself. There is the Google extension of Claude, and he just opened it. I will tell him to open to use the other link, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just telling you to let you know. I somehow can still access it by using the old link and the old credentials. Never mind, I will tell him to go on the other link. Yeah, I told him use the new link, but I don't know. I think I thought he will figure it out on his own, but apparently he somehow broke it and used the old link. Never mind. Okay. What? To which one? From the super? No, because you didn't give me access to it. To the new one or the old one? I don't have access to that one. Okay, let me tell him and we will talk if something later. What? Oh, okay, I will look. Bye bye. I don't know if you heard, but actually we broke it. Yeah, somehow. Use this link, bro, not the old one, because the old one is for the previous thing we done, but now we update it for as a SaaS, and now you need to use this link. What are you doing? You shouldn't use the thing like the link, this one. You should use the one that we updated for the SaaS, which is so yeah, please put in your project or somewhere in your memory or somewhere store for future sessions, not use the old Vercel link, but to use the new one, because we update the whole scheme today for the SaaS. Just to you now telling me that it's using the old link. Okay, so yeah, let me look one moment, guys. I need to put me back. I will no. We don't need Discord anymore. Yeah, continue with the build and fixing the bugs. What is he doing? Bro, what? What did I ask him? Which tab did I ask him to verify? Holy moly, is the monetization. Yeah, these two tabs are really, really, really big. Okay, let me push. Pam pam pam. You have the music, you have everything. It's going smoothly as it should. Okay. So yep, we will continue. Okay, this was fixed apparently. Let it build actually. That's the thing with the revenue. Holy mother of God. How did he finish so fast? And did you check every one of them? If it comes through and actually works? And did you do actually tests? Okay, let me see if it deployed on themselves. No, it did not. Yeah, bro, I told you, you need to verify every one of them individually, run actual tests to trigger it and see if the answer comes through right. Please be ready. Yes, it's ready. Let me double. Okay. Okay. What's this thing? I need to open this, need to open also this. So no. Yes. Not the promotions, but the fleet center reports. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, yep. It's actually really good. Okay, let me check something. Revenue per vehicle, 10 rentals. Okay, where is the Dacia Duster? The Hyundai Tucson. Where is that? Okay. What happens? Where is the Tucson? It was just here. Okay. So is this one. What happens if I delete it? Very interesting for me. So actually there are which one is this is with the 52? No, don't need it. I think it's this one with the 32, yes. Let me delete it. Okay, this is another bug. Oh god damn, when box finish. Yep, it does something. It actually does something. This is okay. I like it a lot. Okay, everything here seems to work. So good job, but one thing that's still not really done is that the ones from the fleet center and the ones from the bookings are doing correctly. Like some tabs are embedded, but there are some tabs that are not on the fleet center, and there are some tabs that are on the fleet center but not on the bookings. So I need you to like make the ones that are not on the fleet center, put them on booking, and vice versa, so they are both equally right and the same. No shit. So what I need you to do is actually, you did them right, thank you, but you see how they are not correlated right? So there are some things that are on the one from the fleet center, on the reports from the fleet center, and not on the reports from the bookings, and vice versa. So what I need you to do is actually add those things from both, and like make the gaps from both sections and add them so they are perfectly combined and same from both sections. Okay, did you actually check every small little one of them? Did you actually check every like opportunity and everything that can come through here? And did you actually do tests on it to see if it actually comes? Did you actually trigger it? Okay, we will do that. You see how if you're not telling him, he is doing what he thinks it's good, but not actually what needs to be done. Okay. Okie dokie. So yeah, add the things that are not on the booking, add it to the one from the fleet center and vice versa, so it's every small thing from both sections on both sections, if you understand what I mean. So yeah, that should indeed fix it for him to actually let me put some sort of music that I like. Okay. So that, no, not this thing again, bro. Why is it with the... Oh my god, bro, I can't. Please, just get rid of me, bro. I like this kind of music, like it calms me down for whatever reason. Why can't you check it? Oh my god. Holy moly. I'm done. Oh my god, bro. Bro, what? Okay, bro. That's sad, actually. You were checking this section yesterday and I think you have finished it, but you left off here. So yeah, we'll do that. You were checking this section and you left off here, so please continue with what you were doing. I don't know if you have it in your memory, but yeah, continue. Bro, that's why I need a better section of loud. I don't know. Oh my god, bro. I'm just so freaking... What is that, bro? Why can't it copy the whole thing? Bro, what? Nah, hell no, bro, really, I'm starting to piss. It started to piss me off, this thing. I'm really like done with this thing. And now it tells me this. What? I can't understand it, like really. Sometimes it's so freaking hard for me to process what's happening. Because these things are not really real for me sometimes. Like, bro, what is he doing actually? Why is he doing all that? For what? Like, bro, I really wanna work, but I can't because the fucking session is out. That's enraging me. Like, and I don't know what I should do. It's really hard sometimes, just to work and work and work when you have this shit going on. You have a fucking session of cloud that you can use, and you use within 1 hour, because you need to do things like this, but actually build something. And it's really, I'm sorry for my language, but yeah, it's really hard just, to keep building and building and building, and when you're looking, you're out of the session. I understand that you need to understand what you're doing and actually do necessary things, not just do something random, but it is something useful that we need to actually do. But how can you do it if your whole session is going down the road? Oh my god. You know how we have the fleet section? Reports, and then we have the bookings ones. Yesterday you started merging them together, so like the things that are not on the fleet section, you should put them on the booking one, and the things that are not from the booking one, you should put them on the fleet section reports. So they're identical sections, just into different tabs. And yeah, so it could be accessed from 2 points, not just one. And you were doing that yesterday, and you need to continue merging them, or the fixes, or whatever. Oh my god, bro. It's really hard. I can't understand, and I can't explain to you what and how is this thing working, but it is somehow. Let me actually make some modifications here, because I told you we changed the logic of the SaaS a bit, and now it's back to being broken like this one. It's not actually broken, but yeah, we need to remove it. Okay, you know what we can do? Okay. I didn't ask you. I did not ask you to make a new folder, but okay. Okay, I don't know. I don't think we did this. The branches definitely not. The money, the payments, no. The web, no. The vehicle reports. We will also delete that because it doesn't have sense. The maintenance tab was not verified. No, no. Customer intelligence, what is this? We will also remove it. Communication thing. Oh, I did it not drag. Okay, we need to move the reviews in here. I told you we need to, and the KYC and the contracts. The contact. Okay, this will also be some part of the AI project, I think so. What is this site front? Okay, this is connected to this. Like X and performance. Nothing. I don't know what is this. Okay, so what were we doing here? Okay, so security. There, partially check security. Journal audit. Where is that thing, bro? Okay. Okay. These two we don't touch them, these ones also. Legal documents, it's done. The settings tab, it's not done. Security, it's okay. Settings and security. Not done, and we need to move it. Let's move it here. Okay, so we are kind of good to go. After we check this, we check this. Oh yes, we check, we hit the limit. What we don't have water sweep. Contract, okay. The thing is with the customers, I don't know, it was done, I think so. So yeah. That is also for the client panel, so we leave that. What is that? What is that, bro? Reserved. What is that? I don't really understand. Close. Is that from the maintenance calendar? Nah, hell no, what is this? Yep. What the hell is this? Interval. Okay. Okay, I understand, but this is something we'll do when we get to the section. We'll check this also if it works correctly when we get to the section. Yeah, this we need to fix. Let's fix that. We will fix that. But no, this is actually done. So yeah, we don't have quite a lot left to fix. We need to fix that, we need to fix that, and then finally we can go on and start to actually check the tabs normally, like a normal person. Holy smoke. Yeah, because tomorrow we're gonna go with the security, but know what? We're gonna leave security here, but no, we need it, because, yeah. Hopefully tomorrow we are going to start on the dashboard. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'll explain to him tomorrow that maybe if I don't forget. Merging the, what was that called? No, reported from Fleet Center, the ones from booking. So yeah, we will do that. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up and do this too fast, and we will do that also. And yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. I'm gonna go sleep, and we will see you tomorrow. We've continued with the build, and yeah, these ones are done. In majority of the thing it is done, and it's actually working. This was the hardest part, as you could see. We stayed a lot of it on it. And yeah, we have just this, which I think will be pretty fast, and then we can move on with finishing up the security things, and then we will move the security down, and we will go on with the dashboard. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our social medias, and with you was Vlad from BooVAi.